Dear students, this is our fourth quiz test held yesterday on chapter Digestion and Absorption. To know the date and chapter of next quiz test, please join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description box. So let's start. Number 1. During starvation, what will be the sequence of ending of foodstuffs? During starvation, when food requirement of body is not fulfilled by ingested food, reserved carbohydrates is used up first, because we know carbohydrates are the primary source of energy, and we also know carbohydrate is reserved in the form of glycogen in our body, in liver and muscle. Okay. After carbohydrate, fat is used, and we know this fat is reserved under the skin that we call subcutaneous fat. And at last, when both carbohydrate and fats are completely consumed, protein used as energy source. Why protein at last? Because protein is the main structural component of the body. Okay, so at first carbohydrate, then fat, and after that protein at last. Okay, so this is the right choice. Now number 2, enterokinase converts. Enterokinase converts inactive trypsinogen to active trypsin. Okay, so this is the right choice. Pepsinogen to pepsin, this is by HCl, okay, in stomach. And chymotrypsinogen to chymotrypsin by trypsin. So this is the right choice. Now number 3, digestion word means. So what is digestion? Digestion is the process in which non-diffusible food is converted into diffusible food with the help of digestive enzymes. Digestion is mainly carried out by hydrolysis using water molecules for the cleavage. So it is the hydrolysis of food. This is the right choice, not the breakdown of food. Okay, this is the hydrolysis of food. That's why digestive enzymes are also called hydrolases. Okay, so C is the right choice. Now number 4, Wilson's disease is associated with the abnormal metabolism of. The answer is copper. It is characterized by abnormally large accumulation of copper in the liver, brain and urine. Okay. Now number 5. How many human teeth appear twice during lifespan of an individual? And the answer is 20. This is the answer. Majority of mammals, including human, have 2 sets of teeth during their life. A set of temporary milk or deciduous teeth that is replaced by a set of permanent or adult teeth. So this type of dentition we call diphyodont. Okay. So 20 teeth, they grow twice in life. Okay. Including 8 incisors, 4 canine and 8 premolars. Total 20. And 12 teeth, they are molars and they are monophyodont because they grow once in life. But these 20 teeth grow twice in life. Okay, so this is the right choice. Now number 6. Which of the following statements is false? Stomach stores food for 4 to 5 hours. This is right because it is clearly mentioned in NCERT. B. Gastric glands never secrete even a small amount of lipase. This is wrong because gastric glands secrete a small amount of lipase. Okay, it is clearly mentioned in NCERT also. Now, number C. Renin is found in gastric juice of adults. This is also false. Renin is found in gastric juice of infants and it helps in digestion of milk protein. Okay, here remember that double N. Okay, there is also an enzyme that we call renin also, but here only single N, and this enzyme is secreted by the juxtaglomerular cells of kidney and it regulates blood pressure. So this is the difference. Here single N and here double N. Double N, this is secreted in stomach. Okay, so this is the difference. So false. So B and C, these two are false. Okay, this is in infants and this is also wrong. So the choice is D. Okay, both B and C wrong. Number 7. In which layer of stomach are gastric glands located? So we know that is the layer mucosa. Okay, here gastric glands are located. Okay, and we know there are 4 layers in the wall of alimentary canal: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, that is inner circular and outer longitudinal, and outermost is serosa. Okay, from inside to outside. Innermost layer is mucosa. Okay, so this is the right choice. So now next, during absorption of carbohydrates in the blood, the most rapidly transported monosaccharide is? The answer is galactose. Okay, glucose is also absorbed fast, but this is the fastest. Okay, and they are generally absorbed by active transport mechanism. Okay, these monosaccharides. So most rapidly transported monosaccharide is galactose. This is the right choice. 9. Stool of a person is whitish grey colored due to malfunction of the following organs. We know color of stool is yellow brown due to pigment from bilirubin and biliverdin which are present in the bile juice, and we know that bile juice is produced by liver. So malfunction of liver can lead to this disease. Okay, whitish grey colored stool. Okay, so the right choice is malfunction of the liver. Okay, now 10. Which of the following statements are incorrect about chylomicrons? They are produced in the epithelial cells of small intestine. This is right. Number 2. It contains triglycerides, cholesterol only. No, there is also phospholipids. Okay, it contains triglycerides, cholesterol and also phospholipid which is also present in our cell membrane. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. They are protein coated small vesicles. Okay, this is right. They are protein coated small vesicles. They are released from lacteals into the epithelial cells. This is also wrong because they are released from epithelial cells into the lacteals. Okay, so this is incorrect. So 2 and 4, this is the right choice. B. Okay. Now 11. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Incorrect. Okay, this is incorrect. Absorption of simple sugar, alcohol, some water and medicines takes place in stomach. This is absolutely right. Okay. Minimum water absorption occurs in large intestine. This is wrong. This will be maximum. Maximum water absorption occurs in large intestine. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. Stomach, the major site of digestion and absorption of food. This is also wrong. Small intestine is the major site of digestion and absorption of food. Okay. This is wrong. The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal only. This is also wrong because the human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and associated glands. It is clearly mentioned in the first page of the chapter and NCERT textbook. Okay. So associated glands means salivary glands, liver, pancreas. Okay. So this is also wrong. So incorrect. 2, 3 and 4. The right choice is C. Okay. Now next page. So this is our next page. Okay. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? Nucleases are present in pancreatic juice. This is right. There is also pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase, okay, DNase, RNase, okay. So this is right. Chemical process of digestion is initiated in stomach. This is wrong because chemical process of digestion is initiated in oral cavity by the enzyme salivary amylase. Okay, the optimum pH of salivary amylase enzyme is 6.8. Okay, you should remember it. It is very important. So this is wrong. 3. Carboxypeptidase catalyzes conversion of proteins into amino acids. This is wrong. Carboxypeptidase catalyzes conversion of proteins into dipeptide, and dipeptidase converts dipeptide into amino acid. So this is wrong. Okay. Parietal cells are also called peptic cells. This is also wrong. Okay. Parietal cells are also called oxyntic cells. They secrete HCl, an intrinsic factor which is very important for absorption of vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin. Okay. Peptic cells or chief cells, they secrete pepsinogen, that is inactive. By the action of HCl, they are converted into active pepsin. Okay. So this is also wrong. So incorrect. 2, 3 and 4. So this is the right choice, B. Now 13. Carrier ions like Na plus facilitate the absorption of, and the answer is fructose and some amino acids. This is the answer. Okay. So what is absorption? Absorption is the process by which the end products of digestion pass through the intestinal mucosa into the blood or lymph. Not only blood but also lymph, because fatty acids and glycerols, they are insoluble. Okay, they can't be absorbed in blood. In the form of chylomicrons, they are absorbed in the lymph. Okay, and this absorption is carried out by active, passive, or facilitated transport mechanism. Okay, small amount of glucose, amino acids, and some electrolytes like chloride ion, that is Cl minus, are generally absorbed by simple diffusion. Transport of water depends upon the osmotic gradient. Various nutrients like amino acids, monosaccharide like glucose, electrolytes like sodium ion, that is Na plus, are absorbed into the blood by active transport mechanism. Okay, so by the help of sodium ion, that is the fructose and some amino acids, they are absorbed. Okay, so this we call facilitated transport mechanism. Okay, so this is the right choice. Now 14, about percentage of starch is hydrolyzed in oral cavity by salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, also called ptyalin. Okay, the answer is 30%. It is clearly mentioned in NCERT. 30% of starch is hydrolyzed in oral cavity by salivary amylase at pH 6.8. Okay. Now 15. Which of the following statements each or are correct? Mucosal epithelium has goblet cells which secrete mucus for lubrication. This is absolutely right. Okay. Cells lining the villi has brushed border. Okay. This is also correct. Okay. So we should know something about villi. Okay. The innermost layer of alimentary canal is mucosa, which form small finger-like foldings in small intestine. We call them villi. Okay. Villi are supplied with a network of capillaries and a large lymph vessel that we call lacteal. So, a lacteal is a lymphatic capillary that absorbs dietary fats in the villi of small intestine. Okay. So, this is correct. Mucosa forms crypts of liver cone inside the villi of intestine, but not the inside the villi, but the in between the bases of villi, not inside. Okay, yes, mucosa forms crypts of liver cone, but this is in between the bases of villi. This is wrong. Okay, all the three basic layers in the wall of gut show modifications in different parts of alimentary canal. Okay, this is right, but this is not three, this is four basic layers are there. Okay, the wall of alimentary canal from esophagus, that we call food pipe, to rectum possess four layers from inside to outside: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. Okay, I have already told. So this is also wrong. So correct 1 and 2. So this is the right choice. Now 16. A lubricant mucin in saliva is made up of. So mucin is a high molecular weight glycoprotein. Okay, so the answer is glycoprotein. Okay, and this mucin play a key role in protecting epithelial surface against pathogenic attack, and it also help in lubrication. Okay, so now 17 is a small blind sac which hosts some symbiotic microorganisms. The answer is cecum. It is clearly given in NCERT that cecum is a small blind sac which hosts some symbiotic microorganisms. Okay, and this is the first part of large intestine. After that there is colon. Okay, first ascending colon, then transverse colon, then descending colon, and then rectum, and after that anus. Okay, so this is the right choice. Now 18. The epithelial cells lining the stomach of vertebrates is protected from damage by HCl because HCl is too dilute. This is totally wrong. Okay, this is totally wrong because we know HCl is highly strong acid because its pH is 2 to 3. Okay, within the range. So it is also very strong acid, so it is not dilute. Okay, so this is wrong. B, the epithelial cells are resistant to the action of HCl. This is not okay. Epithelial cells are resistant to action of HCl. It is not mentioned anywhere. Okay, this is not property of the epithelial cells. Okay, so this is also wrong. HCl is neutralized by alkaline pancreatic juice. Okay, pancreatic juice is alkaline, but it can't enter into stomach. Okay, so no question. Now D, the epithelium cells are covered with a mucus secretions. This is the right choice. Okay, because we know mucous neck cell or goblet cell secretes mucus and it protects stomach wall against HCl action and protein digesting enzymes. Okay, so this is the right choice D. Now 19. If pancreas is removed, the compound which remains undigested is. So we know pancreatic juice contains elastase, pancreatic amylase, DNase, RNase, pancreatic lipase. So it helps in digestion of starch, protein, fats, and nucleic acids. So totally all of these will be undigested. Okay, fat, protein, and carbohydrates, because pancreatic juice contains all three types of food digesting enzymes. Okay, so the answer is D. All of these, okay, will be undigested. So now next page. Okay, so now number 20. Which of the following has highest pH? So highest pH has pancreatic juice. Okay, it has pH 7.5 to 8.3. Okay, secretion of intestinal glands, they have pH 7.5 to 8.0. Okay. And gastric juice, they have the pH 1 to 3.5. Okay. And bile, that is secreted from liver, it has pH 7.7. Okay. So highest pH, that is the most alkaline, that is pancreatic juice. Okay, this is the answer. Answer D. Now 21. Wisdom teeth in human is, we know third molar is the wisdom teeth. Okay, so third molar, and now its number is absolutely 4. Okay, because in lower jaw number is 2 and the upper jaw number is 2, so total 4 in number. Okay, in each half of the lower jaw and upper jaw there is 1. Okay, right side 1, left side 1 of lower jaw, and upper jaw right side 1 and left side 1, so total 4. Okay, so this is the answer, third molar, and this is 4 in number. Okay, now 22. Which of the following pairs of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? So we know in oral cavity there is no enzyme for fat digestion, so fat will be totally undigested. Okay, so here is the option fat and fat. And we know starch is digested about 30% by salivary amylase, so this is not. Okay, so here only fat, and here fat and cellulose, and we know cellulose is not digested at all in human beings, so fat and cellulose both will reach our stomach totally undigested. Okay, so this is the answer, fat and cellulose. Okay, now 23. Which of the following statements are correct regarding secretion of oxyntic cells? It denaturates proteins and softens fibrous connective tissue in blood. Yes, it is right, because it secretes HCl, oxyntic cells or parietal cells. Okay, so this is right. It activates trypsin. This is totally wrong, because firstly trypsin is already activated. Trypsinogen is inactive, which is activated by enterokinase. Okay, secreted from intestinal mucosa. Okay, so it is also wrong. It has a role in maturation of RBGs. Okay, this is also right, because oxyntic cells also secrete intrinsic factor. Okay, which play a great role in absorption of vitamin B12, and vitamin B12 is very necessary for maturation of RBCs. Okay, so this is right. Okay, it activates pepsinogen. This is absolutely right, because we know HCl activates inactive pepsinogen secreted from peptic cells or chip cells. Okay, so this is also right. So 1, 3 and 4. Okay, correct. Okay, 1, 3 and 4, so this is the right choice. Now 24. Absorption of water takes place in large intestine? Obviously, because we know maximum amount of water is absorbed in large intestine, and there is also absorption of water in stomach. Okay, so the answer is both A and B, not only large intestine but also stomach. Okay, so answer D. Now 25. Which of the following correctly depicts the dental formula of a child? So what is dental formula? Arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw in the order, that is firstly I, that is incisors, after that C, that is canine, after that PM, that is premolar, and after that molar. Okay, that is represented by dental formula. Okay, so in case of child we know there is no premolar. Okay, so this is incisors, this is canine, and this is premolar, this is molar. Okay, so here only premolar is 0, so it is the right choice. Okay, so here actually this is upper jaw and it is lower jaw. Okay, and this is left half of the upper jaw, this is left half of the lower jaw, and this is right half of the upper jaw, and this is right half of the lower jaw. Okay, so we actually here get the half of the number of teeth. We should multiply by 2 to get the total number of teeth. Okay, because by dental formula we only get the half, each half of the upper and lower jaw, so this side or this side. So total, if we want to get total, then we must multiply this by 2. Okay, thank you.